are the top 5 worst PC build fails. Bro's going crazy with the compressed air. I hope he doesn't keep it spinning on one.
Bruh.
Sick build. Let's see if it posts.
Nope.
Bro, don't poke that.
What the hell?
Dumbass didn't listen. SMH.
Oh my God, no way.
All right, sweet. Installing some RAM. Just make sure it's lined up and be gentle. Gentle. Gentle! I feel bad for bro, but like genuinely, how does this even happen, LMAO?
Fucking way, bro. I probably just broke my whole PC, man.